Hello friends and welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today we're going to make this design that's ready for a party, perfect for New Year's. We're starting with our base coat. And first we're applying a nude nail polish. Adding a second coat. And we clean up the cuticles. We're going to add a bit of stamping with a gold polish. We're going to be using part of this image here, so I'm just adding the polish over the part that we're gonna use. Clean up the residue with some tape until we have something like this. And we're gonna stamp this close to the cuticle on all nails. We clean up. And now we're going to use a dark blue nail polish. We're going to apply this to the tip of the nails, leaving a space of the nude polish between the stamped image and the blue. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to keep it as straight as possible. Now we clean up any residue from the blue polish. And now we're gonna use some pieces of striping tape. This is like a gold but like a more muted gold because there's another kind that's more yellow. We're going to need 2 pieces for each nail. Here I have all I need for one hand. And we're going to apply 1 piece where the stamp image ends. Remember to make sure it's stuck all the way to the edges. Cut the excess. And the other piece goes where the blue and the nude meet, leaving a bit of the nude polish in the middle. Cut the excess. And repeat on the rest of the nails. Now we're going to add a thick top coat to protect everything. And you can leave it like this, but this next step, I believe, brings this mani to the next level. So here we have a matte, dark blue nail polish that we're going to apply on top of the blue we already have. This one is not as dark, but that's okay. Apply it carefully so it doesn't go over the striping tape, or if you want, you can add some tape as a guide once the top coat is completely dry. And this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!